Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reinvest dividends in Fidelity. Start by going to the Fidelity Investments website. Once the page loads, log into your account using your username and password. After logging in, look at the top menu and find Accounts and Trade. Move your mouse over it and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Account Features. You will now be taken to a page with different settings for your account. Look for the section called Brokerage and Trading. Click to expand this section so you can see more options. Next, find and click on Dividends and Capital Gains. This is where you control how your dividends are handled. On this page, you will see a list of your investments. Locate the specific security you want to change. Once you find it, click on the Update button next to it. Now you will see different options for how dividends are managed. Select the option that says Reinvest in Security. This setting ensures that any dividends you receive will automatically be used to purchase more shares of the same investment. After selecting this option, click on Save Changes to apply the update. Make sure the changes are confirmed so you know everything is set correctly. Thanks for watching.